HAL HJT-36 Sitara, now branded SHOCKS in its 2025 iteration, background and evolution. The HJT-36 Sitara, in development since the late 1990s, was designed to supplant the aging HJT-16 Kiran as the Indian Air Force's Stage 2 trainer. While prototypes flew as early as 2003, the program faced significant setbacks, spin recovery issues deemed the jet unfit in 2017. A major redesign guided by base systems and Bayer applied research involved tail and tailplane repositioning and introducing an anti-spin parachute. Successful 6-turn spin tests followed in 2019. Design enhancements in the 2025 SHOCKS. At Aero India 2025, HAL unveiled a substantially updated version, renaming it SHOCKS to reflect its revived capabilities. Key upgrades include aerodynamic stability. Revised tailplane layout eliminates prior spin departure issues. Lightweight airframe, built using advanced alloys and composites, weight saving was an essential fix after original rollout issues. Cockpit evolution, a 2-seat, tandem glass cockpit with MFDs, HUD, stepped rear canopy and drooped nose for improved visibility. Avionics and LRU upgradability. A modern digital suite integrates GE Aviation Systems, HUD from Elbit, and modular Indian line replaceable units to reduce reliance on obsolete foreign parts. Engine and performance. Powered by a FATEC-controlled NPO Saturn Al55i turbofan 17.3 kN thrust, the SHOCKS offers a strong thrust-to-weight ratio. Importantly, serial production of the Al55i has commenced in India, promising locally manufactured spares and certified 1,200-hour service life. Previous engine options, like the Larzac, were phased out early in the process. Training and operational capabilities. The SHOCKS is well suited for Stage 2 pilot training, aerobatics, weaponization drills, counterinsurgency, and surface attack roles. It supports up to 1,000 kg external payload across 5 hardpoints and features single-point refueling. Its subsonic cruise 750 km/h, service ceiling 9,000 m, and range 1,000 km place it in line with global trainer aircraft performance. Production outlook and modernization fit. HAL has indicated limited series production, with full-scale manufacturing anticipated around 2028, potentially rolling out 85 jets to replace Kiran trainers. The Indian Air Force is exploring an initial lease of 4 to 5 units, pending performance validation. Importantly, the IAF now requires an integrated training ecosystem simulation, cockpit proficiency systems, and full mission simulators which HAL must integrate alongside the aircraft. Strengths and limitations. Thumbs up strengths. Resolved aerodynamic issues, redesigned tail and spin recovery modifications addressed prior failure concerns. Modern cockpit and avionics, parity with frontline fighters boosts training realism. Indigenous engine production, less dependency on Russian imports, improved life cycle support. Armament flexibility, heavy external payload capacity 1,000 kg enables multi-role training. Thumbs down limitations and challenges. Delivery timeline, full-scale service delivery is not expected until 2028, delaying IAF readiness. Simulator ecosystem gap, without robust simulation infrastructure, the jet's training utility is limited. Performance validation, long-term reliability, maintenance cost, and pilot feedback remain unknown. Verdict. The SHOCKS marks a significant revival of the Sitara project, a modern, well-rounded intermediate jet trainer with solved aerodynamic flaws, upgraded avionics, and indigenous power plant production. Though delayed and still in pre-induction phase, its redesign reflects HAL's commitment to delivering a capable, versatile training platform. Its success now hinges on the pace of production, IAF acceptance post-lease trials, and integration into a full-spectrum training infrastructure. When it enters full-scale service with simulators, the HAL HJT-36 could be a game-changer in Indian military aviation training.